Your video's first impression always comes from the thumbnail. And if you've ever tried making thumbnails like the big creators, you know it's not that easy. And those freelancers, they charge like they're designing for Hollywood. But what if I told you there's a way to copy any viral thumbnail in just a minute? Yes, that's exactly what Nano Banana lets you do. Let me show you how it works. Before we start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. First, open YouTube and download the thumbnail you want to copy. For example, I'm going to copy this thumbnail, so I'll download it using any thumbnail downloader. Next, we need the main character or image that we want to replace. Make sure it's the exact YouTube thumbnail size. If it's not, just import it into Canva and resize it to the proper thumbnail dimensions. Now, open Google Gemini in your browser. Make sure you're using the 2.5 Flash version. Click the plus icon and upload the thumbnail you downloaded from YouTube. Next, type this prompt in the box. After that, upload the character image you want to add to the thumbnail. Once again, click the plus icon and add your image here. Now, Google Gemini will start editing your image. It'll remove the original character and replace it with the one you uploaded. As you can see, it's done a great job. The new character fits perfectly and there's no quality loss at all. Let's take it a step further. I'll ask Gemini to change her facial expression to shocked by giving a simple prompt. You can see how accurately it updated her face. It looks completely natural. Now let's try making her look sad. Just give a simple and short command. Again, the result is spot on. And finally, let's make her smile. You can see this one looks even better. If you want to change the TikTok logo in the thumbnail to an Instagram logo, just give Gemini a simple prompt. Replace the TikTok logo with the Instagram logo. And there you go. It swaps the logo perfectly in seconds. Now let's play around with the text on the thumbnail. I'll give Gemini a prompt to change the text from $899 per day to $1,000 per day. What do you think? Will it get it right? There you go. It changed the text exactly as I asked, without a single mistake. You can also change the text color if you want. Let's try a prompt to change the text color to yellow. Wow, it did that perfectly too. Not even a small error. This is the power of AI. If you notice any slight quality loss in your thumbnail, you can use any image enhancer to sharpen it up. Once you're happy with the result, just click the download button to save your thumbnail. And that's it. Now you can create high-quality thumbnails just like top YouTubers in only a few minutes using Nano Banana. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.